Some local businessmen put the radio station together in 1953. And it was actually, when it first started, it was the Piedmont Hotel. Today everybody knows it as the Fleet Building. It was on the ground floor on the far corner closest to Nevada Avenue. Started with a 100-watt transmitter, but still using the same tower. And then in 1963, they built this building. The station moved from down there to up here. 1964, they went to 1,000 watts.
Well, it's a connection with the community, whether it's sports, local events, church events. We stay connected to the community. We give people information about what's going on here around the county almost immediately. We're part of the community, and we value people more than algorithms. I think we try to have that people aspect about us. I think it's slowly being lost to other places today.
Primarily here every morning, our first priority is to start pulling our newscast together for that morning, our weather, our sports, and be ready to go with everything at 6 a.m. on the radio, the TV, and our website.
When we bought the station in '89, I had control over it then. I didn't have it when I worked here before, but I did then. And we had a 15-minute trading time in the morning, and I extended that to 30 minutes, and then eventually to an hour. And I said, we don't care what's happening around the world.